Plants are incredible organisms. They are the foundation of most ecosystems on Earth. To truly appreciate their complexity, we need to delve beneath the surface and explore their internal structure, their anatomy. Plant anatomy is the study of the internal structure of plants, encompassing their cells, tissues, and organs. Understanding plant anatomy allows us to comprehend how plants function, grow, and adapt to their environment. Imagine a plant as a well-organized city. Each part of the city has a specific function. In the same way, different parts of a plant work together in harmony to ensure its survival. Just like a city has residential, commercial, and industrial areas, plants have different tissues specialized for various tasks. This journey into the inner world of plants will reveal the intricate organization of cells and tissues. We will explore the fascinating roles of different plant parts and how they contribute to the plant's life. By the end, you will see plants in a new light, appreciating their hidden complexity. Just as bricks form a building, cells are the fundamental units of life in plants. A group of similar cells working together to perform a specific function is called a tissue. Plants, like all living organisms, rely on specialized tissues. These tissues enable them to carry out essential life processes. Plant tissues can be broadly classified into two main categories: meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues are responsible for the plant's growth. They consist of actively dividing cells that give rise to new cells and tissues. On the other hand, permanent tissues are derived from meristematic tissues. Permanent tissues are further divided into three main types: Parenchyma, Collenchyma, and Sclerenchyma. Each of these tissue types has unique characteristics that allow it to perform specific functions within the plant. Parenchyma cells are the most abundant type of cell in plants. Collenchyma cells provide flexible support to young and growing parts of the plant. Sclerenchyma cells, on the other hand, are responsible for providing rigid support to mature plant parts. These tissues, working in concert, provide the structural foundation upon which a plant's life unfolds. Parenchyma cells are the most versatile and abundant cells in a plant's body. They are found in almost all parts of the plant, from the roots to the leaves. These cells are characterized by their thin cell walls and large central vacuoles. The vacuole is a storage compartment within the cell that can hold water, nutrients, and waste products. The primary function of parenchyma cells is storage. They store essential substances such as starch, proteins, and oils. These stored resources are vital for the plant's growth and development. In leaves, parenchyma cells contain chloroplasts, the sites of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight into chemical energy. This energy is then used to fuel the plant's activities. Parenchyma cells in roots and stems play a crucial role in transporting water and nutrients throughout the plant. Parenchyma cells are also involved in wound healing and regeneration. When a plant is injured, parenchyma cells can divide and differentiate to form new cells, effectively repairing the damaged tissue. This remarkable ability to regenerate makes parenchyma cells essential for a plant's survival. Section 4, Collenchyma and Sclerenchyma, providing support and strength. As plants grow taller, they need structural support to withstand gravity and environmental pressures. The tissues responsible for providing this support are Collenchyma and Sclerenchyma. These tissues are composed of cells with thickened cell walls, providing mechanical strength to the plant. Collenchyma cells are characterized by unevenly thickened cell walls. They are typically elongated and found in young growing parts of the plant, such as stems, petioles, and leaf veins. The uneven thickening of their cell walls provides flexible support, allowing these plant parts to bend without breaking. Sclerenchyma cells, on the other hand, have evenly thickened cell walls that are often lignified. Lignin is a complex polymer that adds rigidity and strength to the cell wall. Sclerenchyma cells are found in mature plant parts that have stopped growing, such as mature stems, leaves, and seed coats. There are two main types of Sclerenchyma cells: fibers and sclerides. Fibers are long, slender cells that provide tensile strength, preventing the plant from breaking under tension. Sclerides are shorter, irregularly shaped cells that provide hardness and protection. Section 5, Meristems, the engines of growth. Plants, unlike animals, exhibit indeterminate growth. This means that they can continue to grow throughout their lives. This remarkable ability is due to the presence of meristems, regions of actively dividing cells that give rise to new cells and tissues. Meristematic cells are small, undifferentiated cells with a high capacity for cell division. They are responsible for the increase in length and girth of the plant. There are three main types of meristems: apical meristems, lateral meristems, and intercalary meristems. Apical meristems are located at the tips of roots and shoots. They are responsible for primary growth, which increases the length of the plant. Lateral meristems are found in the lateral regions of roots and stems. They are responsible for secondary growth, which increases the girth of the plant. Intercalary meristems are located at the base of leaves and internodes, the region between two nodes on a stem. They are responsible for the elongation of these plant parts.